Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your user data in Fliki. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to fliki.ai. Now log into your account, and what you need to do is press on the account which is on the left hand side of your screen. You can see the profile in the left hand side. Go ahead and click Profile, scroll down, and you can see the Reset Account Data option which is under the danger zone. So go ahead and click Reset Account Data, and it asks you, are you sure you want to permanently remove all your files and folders? After that, click Reset. And after that, you can see that your account has been reset successfully. So this was a video on how you can reset your account data in fliki.ai. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, go to fliki.ai in your Chrome or Edge browser, click on account which is on the left hand side of your screen and click Profile. Now scroll down and click Reset Account Data. After that, press Reset, and then your account will be successfully reset. This video was about how you can reset your account data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.